In 2026, the AI boom stopped being about algorithms. It became about money, and the amount being spent is almost impossible to comprehend. This year, just four companies, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta, are on track to spend around $700 billion building AI in a single year. To put that in context, 3 years ago, that number was $140 billion. It has grown roughly 5 times over. And here's the wild part. They all say the same thing. They can't spend fast enough. They're not limited by demand, they're limited by power and by chips. Which brings us to the real winner. Because the company making the most money from all this isn't any of them. It's Nvidia. It makes the chips everyone needs. Its data center business is now running at around $300 billion a year at a 75% margin. That's roughly $45 billion in profit every quarter. Nvidia is now the most valuable company on Earth, worth about $4.9 trillion. It doesn't need to win the AI race. It just sells the shovels to everyone digging, and the markup is staggering. Nvidia's top AI chip costs it around $6,000 to build. It sells for about $40,000. So is all this spending actually worth it? Here's the uncomfortable number. In 2025, the industry poured around $400 billion into AI and earned back only about $60 billion. That gap is one of the biggest bets in the history of business. Maybe it pays off. Maybe it doesn't. But one thing is already certain. The AI arms race won't be won by whoever builds the smartest model. It'll be won by whoever sells the shovels and can afford to keep digging. This is silicon and cents. The money behind the machines. Subscribe for the numbers nobody else is showing you.